We present a new lightweight method for high-quality eye capture, which can reconstruct eyes from just a handful of photos, allowing our method to be coupled with off-the-shelf face scanners, as we see here, or even reconstruct eyes from single images. To achieve this, we introduce a new parametric model of an eye, built from a database of high-resolution 3D scans that include both shape and texture. The first component of our model is the eyeball model, which represents the low-frequency variation in eyeball shape. Here we show the major modes of variation. Our model also contains an iris synthesis component, which first builds a parametric control map from the sparse input image data, and performs patch-based texture and geometry synthesis given exemplars from the database. The synthesized high-resolution iris texture is blended with the control map to generate the final combined texture. Here we see the result for a second iris of a different color with different structures. The iris geometry is also synthesized at the same time as color and geometric structure are coupled. Since the database contains irises under different dilation states, we can also synthesize realistic iris deformation, all from the low-resolution iris control map. We can also visualize the pupil dilation in high quality, where the iris deformation greatly increases the realism of the captured eye, especially at twice the speed. We can visualize the iris details in high quality by changing the illumination and observing the shading. The last component of our parametric model is a sclera vein model. Here, we are able to synthesize realistic vein networks, and we introduce intuitive parameters that can control the appearance of veins, including the thickness and the depth. Here we see the artistically controlled parameters on a rendered eye. Here we see the result of our eye capture method for one eye. We demonstrate two applications of fitting our model to real images. The first is a multi-view fitting approach, which can be seamlessly incorporated into a traditional face scanner. Here are several results from the multi-view fitting. Notice that our method is able to accurately reconstruct dichromatic irises using different exemplars from the database. Our method is able to capture a variety of different eyes varying in color and shape. Here we show an example of single image fitting. In this case, we have less data constraints, and so the algorithm trusts the parametric model more. Finally, we show how robust the fitting technique is by fitting an eye to single images of paintings. And also a single image of a bird. In summary, we present a new method for capturing eyes which is lightweight, in that we only require as little as one photo thanks to our new parametric model built from high-quality eye reconstructions. Thanks for watching.